Hey there, today I have a Trendsend unboxing for you. So actually this is my second time trying Trendsend. I tried it a few months ago and to be honest, I wasn't really that impressed. It was kind of, for me, a little too trendy and kind of expensive. But I thought I'd give it another try. It's been a while and I actually logged into my account and I realized I had 2 referrals, so which would give me a 20% off discount on my next order, and they were going to expire, so the referrals were good for I guess 90 days and it was almost going to hit on them. So I don't know, I'm so sorry, I don't know the names. Once I requested my first box, the name dropped off, but I know one of the 2 was Cecily A, so I just want to thank you, and also the other person that used my referral link. Thank you very much, I do appreciate it. So I am getting a 20% off discount on this box. But Trendsend, it's sort of like Stitch Fix if you're not familiar with Trendsend. There is no styling fee, so they'll just send it to you without charging you anything. So no styling fee, no shipping charge, but they don't offer typically a discount like if you bought everything in the box. They actually send you 3 outfits, and all the items comes from the Evereve store, which they have an online store and they also have boutiques around the country. And this particular box that I got is coming from one of the Seattle stores. And since the last time when I did Trendsend, I noticed it was so expensive, I thought I'd try something different. So I went on and I tweaked my profile. Everything is for the lowest price. And what I did was I went onto their online store and I checked out all of the sale items and I put all the items that I thought were kind of nice that were on sale on my wish list. And I put that in the note that I put items that I wanted in my wish list. So let's see if this box ends up being a little cheaper. Okay, so you get a little letter here and it describes the 3 outfits that they sent. And there's also a packing slip which includes all of the items, and it looks like they sent 8 things. And there's no total, but price ranges from anywhere from $151 to $30. And there's also a prepaid big plastic envelope to send anything I don't want back. Okay, and I have 3 bundles, and here they are, and they're nicely wrapped with the Trendsend sticker. Okay, so the first outfit, I did mention that I was going on a trip, so they took that into consideration, and it looks like she did mention that she picked up a top that was on my wish list, so that's good. They actually looked at my wish list. So first item is this jacket. Oh, this is very cute. It's by Sanctuary, and it's very expensive. It's size medium, and it's $139, but I'll get a 20% discount, so it comes up down to about $111. But yeah, it's just a very cute army green jacket. It's got bell sleeves. That's interesting, a jacket with bell sleeves. But yeah, very cute. And then she's also got, it's a sleeveless white top with kind of a big bow on it. It's cotton. It's got a zipper in the back. Okay, and this is by Sunday in Brooklyn. It's a bow neck shell, and this is $58 less my discount, $46.40 would be. Yeah, I don't know if I like this. I'm not a big fan of this bow. Something different. Okay, and this is the top I actually had put on my wish list, but looking at it now, it looks pretty huge. I did ask for a medium. Maybe I should ask for a small. And this is by Chaser, and it's the floral ruffle top. And the original price on this was $68, but it was on sale for $49.99. And it's a very pretty floral gray print, and it's got bell sleeves. So it's very cute. And then lastly for this outfit is a pair of jeans, and these are by 7 for All Mankind, the ankle skinny, size 28, which is my size, and it's $179. Yeah, I actually, I don't think so. I mean, I'm not going to pay $179, but I'll try them on. They're just basically a nice dark wash. It's the Blair denim, but we'll see. I'll give it a try. And then outfit number 2. Okay. Yeah, I don't think so. These are really huge. I don't know. I actually don't like to wear big earrings, but these are nice and light. Well, I'm not even wearing earrings today, I forgot. Yeah, I'm all about necklaces. And earrings, I usually just wear like little post earrings. But anyway, but I'll try it. Actually, I won't try them on. I don't think I'm gonna keep these, so I don't want to try them on for hygienic reasons. Okay, and these earrings are $38. $38, but they are very pretty. Also, there was a dress, and this is by Allison Joy, and it's just a black dress, $68, size medium. And it has kind of this ruching. So I'll try it on, but yeah, I don't really think that's gonna look right on me, but we'll try it. Okay. And then the third outfit, let's see what she's got. Kind of small. Okay, so it's a tank top, and this is just a basic tank top. It does have a slight little kind of detail on the side, and it's a size medium, and it's $58. And also the last item I have are a pair of shorts. It's by Level 9, and it's kind of like a teal color. They're kind of short looking, to be honest. It has an elastic in the back, so that's nice. And these are $88. So $88 for these shorts. Okay, so that's what I got in my second ever Trendsend, and I will go ahead and try it on and see how it looks. Okay, so here is part of the first outfit. So I have on the 7 for All Mankind jeans, and I have to say, these are incredible jeans. I mean, I don't know. I wish I could buy them, but they're, even with my discount, they'd be $151. Sorry, my dog is playing. $51. So that's a bit pricey, I think. And here's the gray ruffle top, and it is a really pretty top. I really like it actually, but it's just too big. This is size medium, and it's almost like 2 sizes too big. So maybe I could have gone with either a small or maybe even an extra small, because look at these sleeves. They're too huge, but I actually really like this top. It's cute. Okay, so here is the jeans with the white top, and it's a cotton top with a bow in the front, and it's sleeveless. And the jacket. Not bad. I mean, I kind of like this jacket, but it is, I think it's too big. But yeah, it's cute. It's nice length. I don't know how I feel about the bell sleeves. I mean, if I were to spend that much money on a jacket, I wouldn't want anything that might go out of style quickly. Although I do like bell sleeves. And then, so yeah, it's just like a sleeveless white cotton top with a zipper in the back and a bow. It's actually kind of cute. I don't know though. And I'll show you the jeans. These jeans are totally amazing. So I know this brand is like really expensive, and you could probably find it for less at Nordstrom Rack, but the denim is so stretchy and soft, and they are very flattering. They're too long. They have a slit here, and that's why I've got some heels. But they are very slimming, I have to say. Okay, now next is this dress from Allison Joy. When I pulled it out, I thought I was gonna totally hate it, but it's not bad. I don't have anything like it. It's kind of fancy, actually. So, and I can see where she was going with this, because, whoa. I mentioned that we were going to go to Vegas next month, and we're gonna, we have tickets for actually Celine Dion and J-Lo. So, yeah, I could go to, watch out, Kaya. I could go to a concert in this. I think it would look kind of nice. And I really don't own anything like this. So it's just kind of a nice knit material. It has this tie in the front. It has all this ruching, and it's kind of a longer length. So this is outfit number 2. And the earrings were supposed to go with it, but I think I'm gonna pass on the earrings. Okay, now this is the last outfit. I don't think I'd pay $70 for these shorts. I mean, yeah, they're okay. I mean, I live in Hawaii, so this is basically how I dress. But $70 seems kind of ridiculous. And then I've got, this top is actually really cute. I don't mind it, actually. It's very comfortable, and I like this little detail on the side. It kind of gives it some interest. But anyway, yeah, so this is the third and final outfit, and I just paired it with some slip-ons. Okay, so that was everything I got in my Trendsend box, and yeah, so let me know what you thought. Overall, my thoughts, I still think it's really expensive. I mean, these jeans were beautiful, and I mean, I would love them, but you know, they're $189, and even with the 20% off, it's $151. So they're a little too expensive, I think, for me. I might actually keep this black dress. Surprisingly, it was nice. I kind of liked it. I thought it was kind of flattering, and even though I'm short and I try to avoid dresses that are this length, but I think since it was all one color, it was it didn't make me look too stunted. And this one with a discount came out to $54.40, so that's not too bad. Regular $68. The rest of the items, the jacket was cute, but you know, even with the discount, it's $111, and I thought it was actually too big. And this little white shell was surprisingly cute, but I don't know, $46, not bad. But yeah, I don't think it was actually for me. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do have a golden tote coming up later this month, and I also do monthly Stitch Fix unboxings. Sorry, my dogs are having kind of they're wrestling. They like to do that. But anyway, thanks again. Take care now. Bye.